dear students, in probability, how the probability, what is sample space, what is event, and what is the independent event, what is mutually exclusive events, exhaustive events, and fundamentals of probability, axioms on probability, all that you have learnt in previous exercise, in this exercise also. But when you learn probability, you should go with fundamentals. Any topic when you learn, you go with fundamentals, that will help you a lot for your learning difficulties to be easy. Learning difficulty in the easy means, in the sense, any problem, anything when you go, you have to go with fundamentals. Stick to the fundamentals, stick to the basics, so that it will help you a lot. See here, this probability theory in exercise 12.3, how this problem deals, that is, deals with probability and what is approaches here. So here, suppose the chances of hitting a target by a person x is 3 times in 4 shots. Probability of hitting a person, there are three persons here, one is x, and another one is y, and the third person is z. We used to name it x, y, z here. And 3 person, first person is x, second person is y, and third person is z. And first person is 3 times in 4 shots, y is 4 times in 5 shots, and z is 2 times in 3 shots, which means probability of hitting. So a person wants to hit a target. The target is one particular point. See, anything when you fix it, we have to fix a point, and then we have to, from this place to here, we have to hit a target. So he is shooting, so but that means he wants to make a shot from one point to other, he wants to hit a target by way of shooting. So here, what else? They fire simultaneously exactly one time, remember that, exactly once, that is only one time only. So he is continuously firing, but it is only one time. What is the probability? The target is damaged. So this particular point he wants to damage, that means he wants to hit, that is all. He wants to hit the target only once, that means by exactly 2 hits, only exactly 2 hits. 2 hits means that target should be shot out by only 2 hits, or exactly it should hit that only by 2 hits. That is all we want to find out. So this is the question, probability that exactly hit 2 hits. What are the conditions given? Let us note, let x, y, z, we will take according to the number wise, x, y, z, the same way we will take it. Then only this problem is easy, and then we can do it also, because the target what he wants to hit is one after another. So first one is probability that he wants to hit the first one, x is shooting a shot only, what time it is, 3 times in 4 shots. Probability of shooting x is 3 by 4. What about this case? What is P of x? That is probability of x. He wants to, out of 4, 3 times he just shot out. He hit the target out of how many times? 4. Out of 4, 3 times he hit the target. That is the thing is given. Likewise, the second one, probability of y, the second person, the naming is y. He hit the target out of how many times? Here the first person is 3 times in 4 shot, and second person is out of 5 times he hit the target in 4. Now third person z 2 times in 3 shots, that means probability of hitting third person z, that means 2 by 3. Out of 3 times he hit the target by 2. Here the second person out of 5, 4 times he hit the target, and the person X also out of 4 times he hit the target thrice. This is the way the probability as found out for each person. Suppose a person X is hitting the target by shooting, that means that is 3 by 4, that means not hitting, that is complementary. This X bar is nothing but this person cannot hit the target, that means that is a complementary, that is 1 minus probability of X. This is the probability axioms on probability. So, from that I am just taking. So, 1 minus 3 by 4, which means it is 1 by 4, 4 minus 3, 1 by 4. Likewise, we take P of y bar, 1 minus probability of y, which means 1 minus 4 by 5, that is 1 by 5, that is probability of y bar, and probability of z bar. That means the third person do not hit the target, that is complementary, that is z bar. This one also the same formula to be applied, P of z 1 minus 2 by 3, which means it is 1 by 3, P of z bar. Remember, a person hitting the target for the first person is 3 by 4, he do not hit the target is 1 by 4. Same way y 4 by 5, and for the second person the same target he cannot hit, that is 1 by 5, and third person 2 by 3 hitting the target, and the same third person do not hit the target is 1 by 3. Like that we found out. Now the question is what? Take the problem here. Probability that the target is damaged exactly 2 hits, exactly 2 hits. Here what is the implication of probability? Do you remember what formula is to be adopted? Suppose if I want to do, forget about this problem. If I want to do this one with 3 person, in what way I can do? So that means one person do not hit the target, other 2 must be hit out or shoot, that he has to shot out the place, that is according to that. So that means here the question is probability that the target is damaged by exactly 2 hits, exactly 2 hits. That means, see, in diagrammatic way also I can show, otherwise in analytical way also I can explain to you. So analytically let us explain now. So X and Y are exactly hitting, mean definitely Y is not hitting, that is the one thing. And second one, suppose Y is not hitting the target, that means these 2 persons are hitting the target. Supposing X is hitting the target, the other 2 persons are hitting the target. So I tell you, I repeat the concept, X and Y are attack or targeting the place, that means this person do not hit. And suppose Y is not hitting, X and Z are hitting. Suppose X is not hitting, so Y and Z are hitting. Like that 3 possible ways. One is, remember student, X, Y and Z bar, like this I will take. Remember, I take this, and other one, remember that I put intersection for these 2 and this third person do not hit, and union here X intersection Y bar intersection Z. First one, the third person do not hit, second person do not hit the target, and the last and final one, the first person is not hitting the target. In this way we can make out. So that means each part, see, target damage exactly by 2 hits. Here first these 2 person, here first and third, here second and third, like that 2 person are hitting the target, the one is nullifying. So that means here we will take it. Since the union is given, we can add up. So that means what we can do, probability of x intersection y intersection z bar plus probability of x intersection y bar intersection z plus probability of x bar intersection y intersection z. Like that we can take. So this is the way we got the result for the first one. See, this is the question and analytically we can take it out. I can do the same problem with the help of diagrammatic way. That is a lengthy one. The simple way, simple logic, simple method we can do it. So now by way of seeing this, what your mind what is recalling? Yes, independent. It is if A and B are independent, probability of A intersection B, P of A into P of B. The same thing we are applying here. So let us do that. P of x into P of y into P of z bar plus P of x into P of y bar into P of z plus P of x bar into P of y into P of z. So like that we got the result now. So now let us take each one. You have to take the value over here. So what we can take, better we will take it like this, and this one no, we can do it. So you should know what is that each one. So let us take here. So this is P of x bar, P of y bar, P of z bar. So each one we can multiply now here. P of x, P of y. P of x is 3 by 4, P of y is 4 by 5. So that means this is 3 by 4 into 4 by 5 into what is the here P of z bar. P of z bar is 1 by 3, that we can write, plus here the second one is P of x, P of z, P of y bar is we are take into account, that is 1 by 5. That means 3 by 4 and 2 by 3 here, 3 by 4 and 2 by 3. Here what is that? Its P of y bar is 1 by 5 plus what is the third term here? P of x bar, P of y, P of z. P of y x bar is nothing but 1 by 4, 1 by 4 into, remember that P of y is 4 by 5, P of z is 2 by 3. Let us see, I just see first of all P of x 3 by 4, yes, P of y 4 by 5, that is also correct, and P of z bar is 1 by 3. P of x is 3 by 4, P of z is 2 by 3 and P of y bar is 1 by 5 and P of x bar is 1 by 4 and P of y is 4 by 5 and 2 by 3. You have to do the simplification. With that the problem is simple and easy one. So is there any possibility to simplify? If at all any possibility, do so, if not leave it. So here pi 4s are 20, 60 here, you can write 60, that is 12 plus 6 over 60, 3 2s are 60, 8 over 60. Simple way, just numerator just multiply, denominator multiply, 4 5s are 23, 60 like. So now 26 over 60. So denominator same term, so simple calculation. 26 divided by this is nothing but 1/3 over 30. So 1 and 3 and 3 2s are 60. Is there any possibility to cancel? That's all. So that means probability of hitting the target is damaged by exactly 2 hits is 13 by 30. 13 by 30. This is the answer. So I hope you understood this problem very clearly without any kind of clumsy or any kind of difficulty. So I think it is very simple and easy. You found the techniques of doing that.